demo to show what I did here. So when you click, you're toggling the class using JavaScript. And when you roll over this and roll up or hover, you are doing a transition. This is with CSS right here, transition. But this, when you click, is JavaScript. Bootstrap, I brought that in. Okay, let me see. Here is where this file is saved. Here's the name of it. It's 3 columns, and I copied this to get 3 columns. And then here, this is JavaScript. Onclick my function to toggle. This is part of the Bootstrap JavaScript, but this is my JavaScript that I wrote in. And this is what it looks like. This is where I learned how to do the toggle class. So this is one image. This is the other image. When you click, that's one image. You're changing the background image. And when you swipe, you're filling in. See, the span is right here, so you don't see it because it's got 0 width, but when you hover over the span, it shows up. And this has a z-index of -1 because you want the span behind everything. And for some reason I had to do this. If I didn't put the one here, it wouldn't do it. So I don't know. I had to do it. Okay, but what I'd like to do is have more than 2 images. I'd like to have a whole bunch of images.